Hello, welcome to Acceptability of a String by Finite Automata. A string is said to be acceptable by finite automata only when the automata is in one of the final states after processing all input alphabets of the given string. Now see this by the example. One example is given here. In this finite automata, there are four states like Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Among this, Q0 is the initial state, Q2 is the final state, and it processes the symbols like zeros and ones. Now see, consider the example to check whether the string is acceptable or not. The given string is 010110 and the finite automata is as shown in this transition diagram. So while starting the process, we have to consider the first input alphabet and start with the initial or start state. The automata is run on an input string and outputs yes or no, means whether the string is acceptable or not. See, the first input alphabet is 0 and the current initial state or starting state is Q0. So Q0 on inputting 0 transit to Q1. Therefore, we will have the transition Q0 with input symbol 0 and it is transiting to next state as Q1. Now see the next step. Now we have switched from Q0 on processing 0 to Q1 state. Now next input alphabet is 1 and the current state is Q1. So Q1 after processing input symbol 1 transiting to Q2 as shown in this diagram. This is the transition given. Now repeat again the same process. Now we have to switch to the third input alphabet. Now currently we are in the state Q2 and we have to process the input symbol 0. So Q2 on processing input symbol 0, the transition given is to state Q3. So we will switch to state Q3. After processing this, our current state is Q3 and input symbol to be processed is 1. So current state is Q3 and input symbol to be processed is 1. So this will transit to the state Q0. It is shown in this transition. Q3 with input 1 is transiting to Q0 as shown in this arrow. So after processing 1, we will switch to the state Q0. Now at this stage we have processed first 4 symbols. Now come to the fifth symbol, that is 1. So our current state is Q0 and we have to process the symbol 1. Now Q0 with 0 is transiting to Q1, but we have to process Q0 with 1. So Q0 with 1 is transiting to Q3. Therefore we will use this transition Q0 with input 1 is transiting to Q3 and we will switch to the next state as Q3 as shown here. Now see how much string we have processed. Up till now we have processed the first 5 symbols like 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The next symbol is 0, which is last symbol of the given string, and the current state of the finite automata is Q3. So Q3 with input 0 is transiting to Q2. So we will use this transition Q3 with input 0 is transiting to Q2. So after processing the last symbol 0, now we will switch to the state Q2. Okay, so after processing all the symbols, now we reach to the state Q2, and it is the end of string, and the state reached is Q2, which is the final state. So we can say that the string 0101110 is accepted by the given automata. So this is how, if we start with the initial state and after processing all the input symbols we reach to the final state, then we can say that the given string is acceptable. Now switch to another example. The given input string is 010. So again, same as in previous case, we will start with the initial state Q0, and the first input symbol to be processed is 0. So Q0 with 0 input is transiting to the state Q1. Then currently we are on the state Q1, and next symbol to be processed is 1. So Q1 with 1 is transiting to Q2. Then next Q2 is the current state, and 0 is the symbol to be processed, so it is transiting to Q3. Now at this stage we have started from the initial state, we have processed the symbols 0, 1 and 0, and we have reached the end of input string, and the current state after processing all the inputs, the current state is Q3, and it is not the final state. Therefore, we will say that the string is rejected and it is not accepted by the finite automata. So this is how we can identify whether the given string is acceptable or not acceptable or rejected by the given finite automata. Thank you.